Hello, good morning students. Today we will start the chapter Coordinate Geometry. So the new chapter name is Coordinate Geometry. Okay, so this is your 10th, 4th chapter in the first book. Before going to that, we will deal with the basic what we need for this chapter. Okay, so that's why here it is represented in a plane. We know that x-axis and this is y-axis, and it has Cartesian coordinate method. It has 4 quadrants: first, second, and third, and fourth. We know that x-axis from here to here, it is in the this is the origin. Okay, the point of an origin is 0, 0. So x-axis here it increases from 1, 2, 3, 4. Its value increases from 1, 2, 3, 4. In the upper portion, y-axis, it's increasing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. Here it's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It is decreasing. Numbers increasing, but rates are decreasing. Values are decreasing. In the here, it's from 0 to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Here in the fourth, it's y dash. Here also the value become decreasing, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. We know about that. In here, so for coordinate geometry means a point is represented by coordinates. Coordinates is nothing but x and y. So x and y are called as coordinate. Whenever we represent a point, we represent it by a first it is x coordinate and then it is y coordinate. Okay. For example, so x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 2 like that. Okay. See here. So first quadrant x-axis is first we write x-axis, next we x coordinate, then y. Every coordinate is plus. Here also every coordinate is plus. So that is why this first quadrant is called as plus quadrant. Here it is second quadrant. Whenever you come to second quadrant, you have to write x first. Okay. So x value is whatever you value take here. So x value becomes negative. That is first x value is negative and the y value is positive. Okay. Then you come to third quadrant. See here. It also first you represent x and then y. What's the value of x? X is here. The value is negative and also the value here also negative. Y axis also negative. Therefore, it is called as negative quadrant. So here it comes to here. So first x and then y. X is positive value and y is negative value. Okay. Like that, you know that in the from the I think it's from 8th standard you know that. So next we will move on to the general calculation about this. Okay. For example, I will take 3 and 5, two numbers. Got it? So first here I take plus 3 and plus 5. What we have to do? Okay. Think about it. When both the when both are plus, what you have to do? Add. Correct? You have to add. You will add 5, 3, 8 and represented by plus. Okay. When it comes to here, it is plus 3 but it is minus 5. See, I will take plus, I will change the sign of other as minus. Okay. What happens? That is one is plus, another one is minus. What happens? Whenever one sign is changed in both them, plus and minus or minus and plus, whatever, then you have to subtract. Subtract means kalibeko. Okay. We have to subtract. That is why whenever you are subtracting, write this is sign of this number. This sign represents this number. Okay. Minus 5 first and then plus 3 second. Why I have done this? Because subtraction, we write the upper number, bigger value, not value, bigger number and then smaller number. Okay. We have to subtract because one is plus, another one is minus. So the answer is 5 only 3 whole, right? You know that? Yes, it is 2. But which 2 it is? Is it plus 2 or minus 2? Then you have to know that which is the bigger number. Bigger number sign is minus. That is why I will write minus 2. Okay, that is why this is minus 2. Got it? So I will change the sign here. This is minus 3, this is plus 5. What happens? Minus 3 and plus 5. What happens here? Look here. I have to write one number first. Which I have to write first? See, because 5 is a greater value, you have to write plus 5. Okay. And then minus 3 is the second number because 5 is bigger, 3 is smaller number. Okay. One is plus, another one is minus. Then you have to subtract it. 5 and 3 whole 2. Which sign you will write? Bigger value sign. Bigger value sign is plus. Here the bigger value sign is minus. That is why you written as minus 2. Bigger number value is plus 2. Yes, that is why the answer is plus 2. Got it? Then I will change both the signs. Minus 3, minus 5. What happens? See, whatever you write, when both the signs are same, remember it, both the signs are same, add it. This is one best formula. Both signs same, add. Okay. Both signs are different. Both signs are different. Then subtract. This is the best formula to remember. See here, one is plus, another one is minus, you are subtracting. One is minus, another one is plus, you are subtracting. But you are writing the bigger value sign here. Okay. See here, minus 3, minus 5, both the values are negative. Okay. ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ when both the signs are same, you have to add it. Okay, minus 5 minus 2, what happens? 5 to 7, minus 3, that is 5 3 8. ಈಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 5 is the bigger number. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ, ಸೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೈನ್ ಶುಡ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೈನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಸೈನ್, ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ minus. That is why answer is also minus. See, I will play with the two numbers only. I have the two numbers 3 and 5. I play with both the numbers by putting plus plus, plus minus, minus plus, minus minus. I got 4 different answers. When both are plus, plus value. When both are minus, minus value, but added both the times. Okay, this is the best practice to do. If you practice this for 1 week, I think you will be the what is the mother of mathematics, because mathematics based on these values most. Okay, so that is why for homework I will give you this work for you. Take down the notes. This is the best thing to remember. In a formula book, you write it. Both the signs are same, add. Both the signs are different, subtract. Answer sign should be bigger number sign. Okay, then it is easy. So next, how to practice this something. I have 2 methods. Type 1 practice. So type 1 practice. Type 1 practice, you in a starting stage, if ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಲೋ ಲರ್ನರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲೋ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಕಲಿಬೋದು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವರ್ಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. For first practice, you take 2 number. I have taken 3, 5. You have to take any number. 4 and 7 and 4. Okay. Yes, it's like S number. That's why I write. Okay. You can write any number. Even you matadi 7 minus 4. I have write 7 minus 4. I have written a sign of 4, but I have not written the sign of 7. What you will do? I have written any sign means understood that is plus 7 and minus 4. Okay, that is why I have to write plus 7 and minus 4. What I have to do? First remember the formula. ಎರಡು ಸೈನ್ಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. one plus, another one is minus. Plus into minus, minus. Okay, plus into minus, minus. So that is why I have to subtract. ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. Okay, then 7 4 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 3. ಎಂಥ 3? ಎಸ್, ಈಗ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಕಳೆದ್ವಿಂತ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಳೆದ್ವಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಡಬೇಕು? ಬಿಗರ್ ಸೈನ್ plus 3. Okay, good. So now it is plus 3. Okay, ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. First one is minus 4, minus 7, minus 4, 7 plus 4, minus 7 plus 4. Do it. Okay, do it yourselves. That's easiest thing. Okay, yes, it's easy. When both the signs are same, ಮೇಲೆ 7 ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಕೆಳಗೆ 4 ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Okay, both the signs are same. That is why add. Minus into minus plus. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಗಳಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ? ಕೂಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. 7 4 11. The bigger sign is minus. Okay, got it? So that is why minus 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. minus 7 plus 4. What's the answer? 7 and 4. So both the signs are different. So subtract, not add. Minus into plus, minus. Okay. So I have the one best formula. Plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, first plus plus ಬರ್ದೆ, plus minus ಬರ್ದೀನಿ, minus plus, minus into plus, minus, and minus into minus, plus. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. Signs are same, add it. Signs are same, add it. Signs are different, ಚಿಹ್ನೆಗಳು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ, ಕಳೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ,